Good day everyone. Today I will presenting about the bar operation, its meanings, important, and the key element that make it function smoothly and successfully. And here's the learning objective. Number 1, explain the key areas of bar operation. Number 2, perform inventory control and ensure quality customer interaction. Number 3, implement effective stock management, financial handling, and legal compliance. Bar operation is the process of managing and running a bar efficiently. It ensures smooth service, satisfied customer, and profitable business, such as serving the customer, creating drinks, and flair bartending. Hi, I'm Mel James and I will be your course instructor. This includes preparing equipment, stocking drinks, and arranging the bar layout before service starts. Service and customer interaction. Bartenders take orders, mix, and serve drinks and create a welcoming atmosphere for guests. Inventory management, keeping track and stock, preventing wastage, and ordering supplies on time are vital for smooth operation. Staff management, bar operation require proper staff scheduling, training, and teamwork to provide efficient service. Financial management, handling transaction, monitoring sale, and controlling costs help ensure their profitability. Legal and safety compliance. Following the liquor laws, ensuring cleanliness, maintaining customer safety is a key responsibility. And for the last is conclusion. In conclusion, bar operation is the backbone of beverage service. When done, well, it creates satisfied customer and efficient workflow.